Okay, so we're going to be stabilizing our gimbal. This is our Moza Air gimbal. This is the type that we're using. And so your first step for what you want to do is you're going to want to take your batteries and put them into here, this way up. Make sure they're charged. You're going to screw it onto the bottom of your gimbal. So now you're going to take your camera, make sure it's set up in the exact way that you want to for filming. Now, you're going to take this little plate here and you're going to screw it onto the bottom of this camera. So now we are going to stabilize the camera. So Max, if you come over here. The most important part when stabilizing your gimbal is to make sure that you have this flat on a level surface. This is important to do because you don't want to strain the motors on the gimbal. What you're going to do now is you're going to want to take your camera, slide it onto here. You're going to tighten this knob so that this plate right here doesn't slide out. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to stabilize this so that this camera does not tilt forward or backwards. And the way you're going to do that is move it ever so slightly forward and then tighten with this knob. And you want to do this until it doesn't pitch forward or backwards. Oh, and before I go any further, make sure that you have this side that says this side up. Make sure it's facing up and that it's horizontal to the table. Okay, so we're done here. As you can see, it's fully stabilized. It's not moving forward or backwards. And so that's our first dimension done. Our second one is we're going to tilt this upwards, and we're going to use this knob right here to move it forward or back. Because as you can see, it still falls forward here. Now, as you can see, I got it pretty quick there. That first one is probably going to take you the longest. Although, once you adjust this, you do want to go back and make sure you didn't mess it up. As you can see, now it's moving again. Now once you're done with that, you're going to move on to your third dimension. Ours is lucky enough to see that it's already stable, but normally you might pitch to one side or the other, and you'll have to move it with this knob. But now, our gimbal is done. To turn it on, if you let go. To turn it on, you're going to want to press and hold down this button while make sure you have a firm grip on this base here. And once you do that, your gimbal's done.